students. In this video lecture, you will learn how to install Dev C++ for C++ programming and also for C programming. So I have already downloaded and installed this Dev C++, but only for you students. I am uninstalling it and then I will install a new Dev C++ for you so that you will understand how to install and download Dev C++ for C and C++ programming. Okay, so let's start. So now students, I have uninstalled Dev C++ from my computer. So now I'm going to install it for you students so that you will able to learn how to install Dev C++. So just click on your favorite browser. I'm using Google Chrome, and in the search bar, you should write Dev C++. Okay, and then hit enter. And the first website is, you can see that bloodshed.net. And we will use the second website, sourcefork.net, and this is a very authentic website to download this Dev C++ IDE. Okay, so let's click on it and then click on download button. So your download will start shortly. It's written here. And the process is started. So the downloading has been started. Okay, so this depends on your internet speed. That if your internet speed is faster, then your downloading time will be smaller. And if your internet speed is lower, then your downloading speed, means time, will be higher, will be larger. Okay, so as you can see that this week the downloads of this Dev C++ IDE is 128,503 downloads in this week, and there are 137 reviews and 4.5 stars ratings. So as you can see that there are written a free, portable, fast and simple C++ IDE brought to you by. So what's mean free and portable? Means free means it's free. You don't need to pay any buy for this IDE. And this IDE is used for C and C++ programming, only for two languages, C and C++ programming. If you want to know that how many IDEs instead of the C++ exist in this world, a few of them I can tell you in the next lecture, so that you will be able to know what's mean by IDE and different IDEs for different many languages, not for only one or two, many languages. Okay, Dev C++ is absolutely free and easy to use. You don't need to uninstall separately compiler. Dev C++ has built-in compiler. Okay. So waiting for the downloading. So as you can see that the downloading is completed. So just click, as you can see that this is exe file, just click on it and then hit on open. Then click on yes. As you can see that please wait while setup is downloaded, unpacking data. So as you can see that the percentage is written here. So choose your preferred language. I will choose English, and then you can choose any language, means Greek, French. You can choose your language as you want. So I will click English. I will remain it by default. Okay, and then you should read this agreement, but it's true, then I agree. And then if you have a good reason to change this setting, then change. I will recommend you to don't change this setting if you don't have a solid reason for this. Just click on next, and then you can choose your favorite directory where you want to install this Dev C++ software IDE. In my case, it is C directory. Then I am clicking on install, and then you can see that the installation process is very speedy and very high. So as you can see that the installation process have been started successfully. So you can minimize this browser's window. As you can see, this is my desktop screen. So as you can see that please wait while the C++ 5.11 is being installed. So you shouldn't go anywhere else. You should stay here and installing and enjoy this process of installing. You don't need to worry. All the system is automatic. Okay. So only a few files are remaining for installation. Then it's ready. Okay, so run dev C++, you should have to tick on it. In my case, it is by default yes. Then click on finish. As you can see, in a very short time, you can see that there is a dev C++ icon here. Okay, so I am not opening it. I have just click on next, select your language. I will select English original next. And then this is font, color, and icon. You can change it, but I leave it remain as it is. So click on next and then okay. As you can see that the dev C++ is ready to use. So first of all, let's cross on it and then double click on dev C++ and then here go to file and new and then source file, and you can see that you can type here. This is called code editor. If you want to increase the font size, then just go to tools and then editor options and then fonts and then increase your size as you want. I am increasing this to 26 size. Okay, and then click on OK. So as you can see that size of the line is bigger. So first of all, we are going to write hello world program. This is very famous program, hash. First of all, you have to include hash and then include IO string and then using name space std and then semicolon and then int main and then curly braces and then cout for output, cout hello world. This is my first program. Dot. If you want to dot, if you want to apply dot, then otherwise not. The statement ends with semicolon and then enter and then return 0 and then again semicolon. To execute this program, you only need to go to execute and then compile and run again. You can press F11 from your keyboard and you can go to execute and then compile and run. Okay, so the process is being, so first of all, you have to save this file, then you will able to compile and run. If I try to directly compile and run, then first he made a dialog box for me and then he want from me to save this file. So program 1 desktop save. Okay, then this will start compilation process. As you can see that there are no errors. If there are errors, then he will show us. This will show us. As you can see, hello world, this is my first program. As you can see, I have written here and the line of cout always is print out as it is as we did here. So and then another next important point is that if I cross this and then I just want to print hello world, if I go to execute and then run. So as you can see, when I run this program, hello world, this is my first program is written, but I have removed this. This is my first program. Why is this here? Because every time, whenever we made the change in our program, we have to compile it again. So cross it, then compile. This is now compiled here and then run. So hello world is there. Okay, So I hope you understand this video lecture, that how to install Dev C++ and how to use Dev C++. In the next video lecture, I will give you the complete guidance of C++ programming and the syntax of this programming. You don't need to worry what's mean hash, include IOStream, using namespace std, int main, and then what is cout, what is return 0, what are semicolons, and what are current curly brackets, and what are the uses of this. So next video lecture will in the next video lecture I will tell you what's the purpose of IDE, and in the next video lectures I will tell you how many IDEs. I will tell you that how to use this stuff C++ IDE, what is the syntax of C++ programming, and we will solve a much more programming problems, programming questions of C++ programming. Subscribe the Understand Education YouTube channel for more video lectures. If you want to complete the series of the C++ programming language from this channel, then subscribe the Understand Education YouTube channel, like the video lecture, and share with your friends so that your friends may also come to know the importance of C++ programming language for their coding career. Okay, so be active, enjoy coding. Goodbye.